In this GreenGeeks WordPress tutorial video, I'm going to be going over how to build a WordPress website with GreenGeeks web hosting step by step from start to finish. I'll be showing you how to access professional pre-made WordPress website templates to make creating your WordPress website an easy process. I'll also be going over how to build your WordPress website using one of the most popular drag and drop editors, Elementor Page Builder, so you can create a professional looking WordPress website on GreenGeeks web hosting via drag and drop. I'll also be providing you with a GreenGeeks discount so you can save money on your GreenGeeks web hosting purchase. You'll get GreenGeeks web hosting for as low as $2.95 a month, plus a free domain name on annual plans. Let's get started with the GreenGeeks WordPress tutorial, going over how to build a WordPress website with GreenGeeks web hosting. The first thing you want to do to get started with GreenGeeks is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to GreenGeeks, and so you can take advantage of getting a GreenGeeks discount plus a free domain name on annual plans. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning you'll receive a commission from GreenGeeks at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome GreenGeeks discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the GreenGeeks web hosting page. Click the View Plans button. You'll see 3 different GreenGeeks web hosting plans you can choose from: the Lite, Pro, and Premium plan. All 3 plans come with a free domain name, free SSL certificates, 300% green energy match, 1 tree planted, daily backups, 24/7 support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. The Lite plan is a good plan if you're going to have one website or just starting out. The Lite plan comes with 1 website. This plan comes with standard performance, 50 email accounts, 50 gigabytes of web space. The Pro plan is a good plan as it comes with unlimited websites, unlimited email addresses, and unlimited web space. The Pro plan also comes with better performance compared to the Lite plan. The Pro plan also comes with on-demand backups and WordPress Repair Tool. The WordPress Repair Tool will secure your WordPress core files with clean, current versions. It will also provide software updates for WordPress core, WordPress theme, and WordPress plugins. WordPress Repair Tool will also optimize your WordPress database, resets WordPress administrator passwords, restores default configuration file and .ht access values, and more. The Premium plan comes with unlimited websites like the Pro plan, along with all the same features like unlimited email accounts, unlimited web space, on-demand backups, WordPress Repair Tool, free dedicated IP, free alpha SSL, and object caching, Memcached, and Redis. With a dedicated IP, instead of your site sharing the same IP address with others, you'll have your own IP. The Alpha SSL provides you with a site security badge on your site if you'd like, and with the Alpha SSL certificate, you'll have a $10,000 limited guarantee warranty which protects your customers. I do want to note that all GreenGeeks plans come with a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. Object caching can speed up your site and help your load times. Object caching will store database query results so that the next time the result is needed, it can be served from the cache without having to query the database over and over. Click the Get Started button on the plan you'd like to select. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the Lite plan. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose a domain name. The domain name will be free if you select an annual term for your GreenGeeks hosting purchase. If you already have a domain name from your other domain register, you can type it in over on the right. When choosing a domain name, you can select the .us dropdown and you can choose the domain extension you'd like to go with. Once you have the domain name that you want, hit the Next button. You'll now be directed to a page where you will enter your account information. You'll then want to go to Account Plan. If you click on it, you can select the GreenGeeks hosting term you'd like to go with. You get the cheapest pricing with the annual 12-month term. After you select a term, you can change the server location if you'd like. If you click Change Location, you can choose between the United States, Canada, Europe, and Singapore. Next is the Essential Add-ons section. You'll see domain locking is included free, as well as total DNS control. If you chose a domain name with GreenGeeks, you'll see ID Protect. Who is privacy? Domain privacy protects your personal information showing in the public WHOIS database so that spammers and telemarketers don't get a hold of your personal information to flood your email or phone with offers of their services. When you register a domain name, no matter what company you choose, the domain goes into the public WHOIS database as domain names are regulated. With domain privacy, it'll show GreenGeeks default contact information instead of yours. highly recommend domain privacy. If you click the check mark, you can unselect it if you don't want it. I'll scroll back up to the top. You'll see the total. It'll have a free domain name if you chose an annual plan. You'll see the savings you'll be getting. I'll scroll back down to the bottom of the page. Next, enter your payment information in and click the Create Account button. You've now successfully purchased GreenGeeks web hosting. GreenGeeks will now email you a receipt and send you a welcome email with login details to log into the GreenGeeks dashboard so you can start creating your site. You'll see the GreenGeeks Quick Launch wizard. You'll see the options where you can start a new website, migrate a website, start a site, and skip this. I'll choose to skip this as I'm going to be going over how to create your site in this tutorial. I'm here in the GreenGeeks dashboard. If you click the Manage button, this is where you can manage your hosting account. You'll see your GreenGeeks name servers listed here in case you need them. I'll click the Dashboard button in the left side menu. We now want to install and set up WordPress so we can begin in building a WordPress website with GreenGeeks web hosting. Click the cPanel button. You'll now be taken to the GreenGeeks cPanel page. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page to the Softaculous Apps Installer. You'll see WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Click this. You'll see the Install button. Click this. You'll now be on the Install WordPress page. Where you see the Choose a Protocol, it'll be set to HTTPS. Keep this selected. Next, choose a domain name that you want to have for the WordPress installation. Next, put in the site name, site description. Over to the right, put in the admin username, which will be the username for logging into WordPress. Put in a password and put in an email address. Scroll down and you can select and unselect any plugins you'd like to have. I recommend keeping the Lightspeed Cache plugin selected as this will speed up your site. Over to the right, you'll see extended settings. You can choose to select plugins theme sets. I'm not going to select anything. You'll see you can change the language of WordPress if you'd like. Next, if you click Advanced Options, there are selections you can select if you'd like. I'm going to keep these as they are. You can put in an email address for the WordPress installation details to be sent to. Click the Install button. WordPress is now being installed. It'll just take a few minutes. Once it is done installing, you will see congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Click the administrative URL to go to the WordPress dashboard. Something to note, I would bookmark the administrative URL as this is the easiest way to log into WordPress to begin in creating your site. To log into WordPress, just enter your domain name with a /wp-admin, just like you see here. This will take you to the WordPress login page for your site. Once logged in, you'll be in the WordPress dashboard. To pick out a theme for your site, on the far left, you will see tabs. Find the Appearance tab and hover over it. Click Themes is where you can pick out a theme for your site. Next, click Add New Theme. You'll now see WordPress themes that you can choose from. There's thousands of free themes to choose from. Now I'm going to show you how to access free professionally designed WordPress themes and how to edit them easily with the drag and drop editor. Type in Astra in the search field. Click the Install button. Once it's done installing, click the Activate button. Once it's done activating the theme, you want to find the Plugins tab in the side menu. Click Add New. In the search field, type in Starter Templates. You want to click Install on it, then click Activate. Hover over the Appearance tab in the side menu. Click on Starter Templates. You'll now see how you would like to build your website. I'll select the classic starter templates. Click the Build with Templates button. Choose Elementor for the page builder. On this page, if you ever see something other than Elementor showing up at the top, just click from the drop-down and select Elementor. It'll now showcase a bunch of WordPress themes you can build your site with using drag and drop. You can type in the type of website you want to create to pull up templates based on that. You'll see a bunch of categories you can hover over and select to build your site. If you click a theme, it'll show you what it will look like so you can preview it. Click the X button to go back to the themes page. Something I want to mention, any of the templates, no matter the category and what they are called, can be used for your website. You can easily change and edit the templates to what you like when creating your WordPress site. Just find a template you like and then you can start making it your own, no matter what category the template is in. Select the theme you want. I'll choose this one called Love Nature. You can upload a logo if you'd like. You can do this at a later time, so if you don't have one now, no worries. You can now choose the font and colors for your site. You can update these at a later time or change them whenever you'd like. I cover this later in the video. Click the Continue button. You'll now be on the Select Features page. Feel free to select any features you want. I'll click Skip this step. You'll now be on the Tell us a little about yourself. You don't have to fill this out if you don't want to. Just make sure under Advanced Options you have each one selected. Click the Submit and Build My Website button. It'll begin building your website. Once it is done, you'll be on the Congratulations page. Click the View Your Website button. It'll now take you to your website and what it looks like. To make edits to your site, click the Edit with Elementor tab on the top of the page. It'll bring up the drag and drop editor where you can easily make changes to your site. You can click on something and then put in the text you want. If you click Style, you can make changes to the text. If you click the pencil icon next to typography, you can change the font for the text. You can change the size of the text. If you want to change the background image here at the top or anywhere on the page, right-click in the top of the section. Click Edit Container. Click Style. You'll see the image showing here. The trash can icon will delete the image. If you click into the image, you can then upload an image or click Media Library to choose an image already uploaded to WordPress. I'll select an image I've already uploaded to WordPress. I'll select the Select button. The image has now been uploaded. If you want to change the background colors and opacity of the image, find Background Overlay and click it. Click Color. You can then change the color to what you'd like. Next, where you see opacity, you can drag this over to get it how you'd like. To edit the button, click into the button. You can change the name of it. You can link it out to where you want it. If you click the settings icon here, you can have the link open in a new window and make it nofollow if you'd like. You can select to not have an icon with the button. Where it says Upload SVG, you can upload an icon. If you click Icon Library, you can view icons you can add to the button. If you click Style, you can change things for the button. If you click Hover, you can make changes on the button hover. I'll scroll down to this section. If you click on something, you can move things around to get it how you want it. By clicking the plus icon at the top left of the editor, you can get to where you can drag stuff over from the left. If you want to remove something, right-click into the area. Click Delete to delete it. If you want to duplicate something, right-click into an area. Click Duplicate and it'll duplicate that area. If you want to change an image, just click in an image to put in your own image. I'll scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Drag Widget section. Click the Starter Templates icon. Click Blocks in the menu. You can then choose from lots of block templates you can add to your site. Up at the top, you can select categories for blocks to show. I'll click one. I'll click the Import Block button. It's now been added to the page. To change the background color of a section, just right-click in the top of the section. Click Edit Section. Click Style. Make sure Classic is selected next to Background Type. You'll see Color. Click this and you can change the background color of the section. If you want to add a new section to the page, hover over an area on the page where you want to add the new section. Click the plus icon. Click the plus icon showing again. Next, select Flexbox. Next, choose the structure for the section. Click the plus icon here at the top. You can then drag stuff into the section. To remove a section, hover over it and click the X button to remove it. If you want to move a section to somewhere else on the page, just hover over it and click the middle icon with the dots. You can drag it up or down to move it to somewhere else on the page. If you click Publish on the top of the page, it'll publish your changes. If you click the arrow next to Publish, you can save the page as a draft or save the page as a template to then use for another page on your site. If you click the preview icon, it'll bring up a preview of your page. If you click the desktop icon, it'll show you what your changes look like on desktop devices. The tablet icon will show tablet devices, and the mobile icon will show mobile devices. If you hover over the site settings icon and click it, you can change things like the colors of your entire site, fonts used, and more. If you click the Elementor menu icon and click History, and then click Revisions, it'll list out all the revisions for your site that it has pre-saved. If you click one, it'll bring your site edits back to how they were at the time of that edit. If you click the Elementor menu icon and click Exit to WordPress, then click the WordPress icon in the top left, it'll take you to the WordPress dashboard. If you hover over the Pages tab, click Add New to add a new page to your site. If you click All Pages, it'll showcase all the pages on your site. If you hover over the Media tab and click on Library, it'll show you all the images you've uploaded in WordPress. If you click Add New at the top, you could then upload or drag in an image into WordPress. If you hover over Post and click Add New, you can create a new blog post for your site. If you click All Posts, it'll pull up all the posts you have on your site. If you click the Comments tab, you will see all the comments you have on your blog post. You can easily reply, mark it as spam, or trash the comment. If you hover over the Plugins tab and click Add New, you can then search for or browse plugins to add to your site. Any feature or customization you might want on your site, more than likely there's a plugin for that. If you hover over the Appearance tab in the left side menu, click on Menus. This is where you can edit the menu on your site. You can add new pages to the menu or drag a page to a different order. If you click the tiny arrow, you can change the name of it or completely delete it from the menu. If you want to create a completely new menu, you can click Create a New Menu. If you want to have submenu items show in the menu, just add the items to the menu and place it a bit to the right, under the menu name you want it to show under. I'll add a few under Services. I'll click Save Menu. I'll now pull up the view of my site, and you now see the submenu item showing in the menu under Services. Now I'm going to cover the Contact Us form to show you how this works. Click Contact in the menu. You'll see the contact form showing here. To edit the contact form on your site, hover over your site title name at the top. Click Dashboard. Next, click on WP Forms. You'll see the Contact Us form here. Hover over it and click Edit. It's now going to bring up the builder for the Contact Us form. You can hover over an area to delete it or duplicate it. You can click an area and drag it to wherever you'd like it. If you want to add something, you can drag it over from the side. If you click Field Options, you can click on a part of the form and then make changes from the side. You can select to make this part of the form a required or not required part to fill out. If you click Advanced, you can click on a part of the form you want to change, and you can select between the size of the form field for that area, and then change if you want anything to show in the form field where they input their information. If you click Settings, you'll be in the General section where you can edit things for the form. Spam protection allows you to toggle on spam protection options. Notifications is where you can put in the email the form info should be sent to, and the from email address showing to the person filled out the form. And the confirmations is where you can put in a confirmation message that shows to the person who filled out the form. Click Save to save changes. When you are done, click the X button. Now I want to go over maps for your site in case you want to have a map for your website. From the contact page, click the Edit with Elementor tab. Scroll down to where you want to add the map. I'll add mine at the bottom of the page. Click the plus icon at the top. Find Google Maps and drag it in where you'd like it. To edit the map, hover over the map and click the pencil icon. Where it says location, you can put in the address of your business. You can toggle zoom to get the map to look how you want. The height will change the height of the map. Next, click the arrow button next to Publish. Click Save Draft. Next, refresh the page in your browser. Scroll back down to where the map is on the page and click the pencil icon. You'll now see the notification showing about the Google Maps API key up at the top. Click the Create Your Here link. It'll take you to this page. Scroll down and click Go to Credentials page. Click Create Projects. Put in the project name. You could just put in your site or business name. Put in the address and click Create. It'll then give you your API key. You can copy and paste it into the API key field. Then you want to click the Integration Settings link. Paste the API key here and click Save Changes. Your map will now show live for your site visitors. Now let me show you how to make edits to the footer, header, and logo of your site. From the WordPress dashboard, if you hover over the Appearance tab in the left side menu, click Customize. It'll take you to the Customize page. To edit the footer, click the Footer Builder. You can then click an area in the footer area where you see the pencil icon to start making edits to that section over on the left side. If you click Design, you can then make additional changes for that section in the footer. You can click the X button to remove that area from the footer. If you click the pencil icon here on the left-hand side, you can then choose how many columns you want your footer to be. You can then click the plus icon to add sections to that part of the footer. To edit the header area of your site, scroll up to the top of the page. If you click into the header area of your site on something, you can make edits. If you want to remove something in the header, just find it here and click the X button to remove it from the header. In this section, you can move things around to change the look of the menu area to get it how you like it. If you click the pencil icon where you see the logo, it'll pull up where you can remove the current logo and add your own logo. If you click the Design tab, you can make color changes to the logo. I'm going to click the back arrow twice. If you click Site Identity, you can then upload a favicon, which is the site icon for your site. If you click Site Title and Logo Settings, you'll be able to change the site title for your site. You'll see Tagline is where you can change the tagline for your site. I'll click the back button twice. If you click Global, Typography is where you can change the fonts used for your site. Colors is where you can change the colors for your site. Buttons is where you can change the button presets and colors used. You now know how to access pre-made professional templates, how to build a WordPress website with GreenGeeks web hosting, and making edits to it using the drag and drop editor, Elementor Page Builder. That is my GreenGeeks WordPress tutorial going over how to create and build your WordPress website with GreenGeeks web hosting. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more GreenGeeks web hosting tutorial videos.